Introducing the WAGO Visual Panel 200, the all-in-one touchscreen HMI that brings power, performance, and simplicity to your machine-level automation. Designed for industrial reliability, the Visual Panel 200 features a slim, fanless build with a durable edge-to-edge touchscreen available in multiple sizes. Whether it's mounted in a compact control cabinet or on the shop floor, this panel is built to last, even in harsh conditions. On the hardware side, it's everything you need in one device. Dual Ethernet ports provide flexible network configurations, USB ports make firmware updates and file transfers easy, and for legacy systems, many models come with an RS-232 or RS-485 serial support. That's flexibility that fits into nearly any automation environment. At the heart of the Visual Panel 200 is WAGO's Visual Designer software, a powerful drag-and-drop HMI development platform made for engineers, integrators, and OEMs. With no programming required, you can build stunning, responsive interfaces in minutes. Let's take a look at how easy it is to get started. We'll begin by creating a new project. Just select your target device, in this case, a VP207, and the screen resolution is automatically configured. Next, we'll open an existing project and go through some of the incredible features available with this software. We can see when the project is launched, we have a list of all the created pages, tags, page components, layout screen, and project properties. At the top under the File tab, we can do things here like open or save a project, access and edit the current project properties, which include things like screen size, orientation, starting page, and more. We can also convert the existing project size if a physical HMI device were to get upgraded or changed. This is a handy feature because it doesn't force us to recreate the project. Simply change the screen size and the project will reformat. In addition, we can access the designer settings, which gives us access to light versus dark mode, default language, and more. Moving on to the Edit tab, we can paste, group, and find and replace components. Under the View tab, we can select what items we'd like to view from the different toolbar options available, all the way from guides to tag overview. Under the Insert tab, we can insert basic and complex components into the project from simple shapes and text, all the way to advanced features like trends, graphs, alarms, and data logging. The Arrange tab allows us to change the layer order, alignment, group or ungroup, and other movement functions for components on the screens. Under the Tools tab, we have the ability to simulate our project both in the simulator and online simulator, set up connections, as well as edit the I/O devices, scripts, alarms, data logs, user management, and more. And if you ever need help with your project, the Help tab will take you to both the online and offline help manuals available, as well as provide for you the current software version information. Once everything's in place, you can test your HMI right on your PC using simulation mode. This lets you click through your design, interact with variables, and preview the finest experience, no hardware needed. When you're ready, just connect to your panel, enter its IP address, and hit Transfer. The HMI deploys directly to the device quickly and easily. The Visual Panel 200 communicates seamlessly with WAGO controllers, like the compact and powerful CC100. Whether you're using Modbus TCP or OPC UA, your visualization can exchange live data with your control systems in real time. And with support for multiple languages, scalable graphics, and full customization, the VP200 can be tailored to any industry, region, or customer, making it a perfect fit for OEMs and system integrators alike. The WAGO Visual Panel 200, your smarter, simpler HMI solution, built to connect, easy to customize, and ready to deploy. Visit wago.com to learn more or schedule your demo today.